This is a power supply adapter from 110 to 12 volts, 12 volt DC, 1.2 amps output. We had a shortcut on the output and something inside burned. I want to open this to see if we can fix that and find out what the problem is, and also show you what's inside one of these AC to DC adapters that you use for your mobile phones, tablets, and laptops and all that. I've gone around this rim with a saw very gently and carefully. You have to be patient and go slowly because it can slip and cut your fingers. So just be gentle and cut most of it. Couldn't go all the way because of this cable here. So you need to cut in the end. Let's see if the transformer is okay or it's all burnt. But there's no, usually there's an electronic board here with diodes and capacitors to rectify the AC and convert it to DC. But in this case it seems like, actually it says DC, doesn't it? It says 12 volt DC, so it's not an AC. So they've hidden the bridge rectifier somewhere that we can see immediately. So I need to, there's nothing here. I need to open this and do a test with multimeter. Maybe the transformer might have been burned. I have to check that. I doubt it. The ohm settings, the input 28 ohms, it's on the ohm, it's not kilo ohm or anything, so it's 28.8 or 29 ohms. And on the output, I'll take this out again. Now we don't have anything, so obviously the transformer is gone. But I doubt this would be just straight connection to the transformer, because there has to be a bridge somewhere. Because otherwise, how do they convert this to DC? That looks like directly connected to the transformer winding. I have to cut this. I'm going to cut this insulator without cutting the, try not to cut the wires. Look, you see, I told you something. They've hidden the diodes here. So there you go. This is one diode. That's another one. So they've used two diodes instead of a bridge, a full bridge. And there you go. So that is where the two diodes are. I wonder if they have actually put a bridge there, because that would just mean not a full wave rectification. No, they haven't. They've actually used just two diodes. So it's not a bridge. But the transformer is in such a way you can actually do, because it's got a center point. Yeah, so they've used the center point straight coming out and the two diodes here to get the full wave, and that is possible. Now let me check the diodes, see if they're okay. I'm betting you it's one of these diodes that have blown up. So you test one way, the continuity, and then swap the probes and then test the other way. No, there's nothing there. So the diodes, both of them, both diodes have gone. And it's a good news actually, because the transformer is, that means transformer is okay, and we can just put new diodes there and repair this. You can see one way is no continuity, infinite, and here the same infinity resistance, and the same here for this one. So the diodes have gone. And if we check the transformer itself, I can see between the 0 point and that one side is no about 1.6, hang on. Yeah, less than 1 ohm on one side, and the other one is almost the same, 0.8. So this is good transformer. The diodes have acted as a fuse, and that is what they're supposed to do as part of their job, not just that because they're rectifying. That's the main job. The main job of the diodes are to rectify AC to DC, convert basically AC to DC, but also they act as protectors as well in case of short circuits, which is what's happened here. So we can just replace these with new ones, and when you do that, you just make sure you observe the polarities of the diodes. The side that's got a gray ring on one side, this side, that is your cathode. This is cathode, this is cathode. These two are anodes. So basically this is going to be your positive coming out of here, because positive is coming to the anode and coming out of cathode. And that's why you have a wire with a white stripe coming out. That is your positive. And usually if you have wires like this, the one with white stripe is your wire, is your positive. So that's that. You know now what's inside these. Usually the new one, this is an older version with center tap transformer. Usually these are more expensive and they don't make these. They make ones with no center tap, and they put instead 4 diodes as a bridge rectifier and a capacitor to just smooth out all the ripples of the voltage, all the bumps. So you have a fixed, almost fixed voltage, just as good as a battery. So that is usually what you find inside these adapters. Now you know what's inside those and how to test them and how to repair one of these. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel so our channel can rank higher and help other people. One of the many ways you can support this channel is by sharing and commenting and giving us support by thanking, thumbs up, or you can support us through Patreon. The details are in the description of every video. Till next video, it's goodbye from me.